Hey, are you sick and tired of that what is it, like fiberglass or that little thin metal skid plate that you have underneath? You know, is it gross from all the oil changes that people have been doing? Are you looking for something that's newer? Are you looking for something that's going to actually protect your vehicle yet be lightweight? So, I bought this. I actually saw them on Instagram, and I also saw them at um, the Off Road Expo 2019. They had a booth set up. This right here is Asfir Off Road. I'm only guessing that's what the name is. This product is actually based out of Israel. I had it shipped to me, and it was probably a little bit less than $200. It's 1/4 inch aluminum plate. All the bends are correct. Now the only thing though is I know that some people had some problems because this is actually based off of, or it's templated off of a European Model 100 series. So I've talked to some people that have this product, and they say, oh, it's perfect fit. And I've had talked to other people where we had to hone it out some of the holes. So I actually had to hone out the holes just a little bit to get it to fit. The back ones are fine. The front ones I just had to just kind of get a rat tail file and elongate the hole a little bit. It uses all the factory mounting bolts and the factory mounting holes, so you don't have to drill any additional holes. However, if you do get a diff drop, some of those diff drops, or actually I would say all the diff drops, come with hardware, a little bit longer plus spacers, so you can utilize your old skid plate, and those will actually be used with this as well. So I had the sleeve diff drop, and of course these are the spacers that were included with the sleeve diff drop along with the bolts. I put some some fender washers in because I did elongate a couple of those holes. I love this thing. It was inexpensive. It's added some protection to it, and it mounts up perfectly underneath my vehicle. And I like the way it looks. All the bolts are 12 millimeter. Oh yeah. I gotta put it back on. I need the protection. What's that? Sweet. I don't know why I'm holding all these things. just gives you the, I think this gives you the right amount of protection here. It's my tray tailer recovery point. Still need to do the one on the driver's side. Just need longer bolts. Hey, so if you have any questions on how to install this, where I got it, it'll all be in the description below. But yeah, you know what? Check out Asfir. I think that they're actually trying to make some other products for the American market on the 100 series Land Cruiser. And this right here is being installed on a 2002 LX470. So hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.